Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A6 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, PIN or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Here you can see incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Okay, press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together. And when the OPPO logo appears, when it appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume down button, and now release. Now wait. So you can see language. Now select language. Volume keys to move it down and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. So here select language, and you can see recovery, format data, reboot device, and power off is available. So what you have to do, go to format data. So here you can see in this phone, please enter verification code which is 7506. So enter it 7506. So here you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. So here tap on format, wiping, please wait, and here you can see data formatted. Over there you can see, now tap on OK. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set when again ask for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set OPPO A6 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.